And here you go, guys. The free coins are here in my Magic Sword game and they're appearing right now. Yo guys, 900k free coins in Magic Sword game, and this is now possible thanks to our great sponsors who decided to offer us a way to get them for free. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna make sure my power saving mode is turned off. Here I'm gonna enable and disable it again just to be sure. Then I want to show you my Magic Sword game, and here's the situation before trying anything. Please make sure you also tap on your profile icon and check again your username because we're gonna use it later. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontwig.com, make sure it's the .com one, then I search for the Magic Sword game to find it easier instead of scrolling. Alright guys, so here I'm entering the username, then I select Android, and of course I'm gonna go with the max amount of coins, which is 900k. As I mentioned earlier guys, these Magic Sword coins are given by some sponsors and they require you to do an additional step in order to receive them. But don't worry about it because this step is super easy and it generally takes you a few minutes of your time depending on your country, of course. Now let's go back to our game and see what happened. And here you go, guys. The free coins are here in my Magic Sword game and they're appearing right now. I'll put my finger above so you can see this is for real. Hope you guys enjoyed this method, and please don't forget to smash that like button and even hit the subscribe one if you wish. I hope you have a great day.